Alright, I have two things to show you tonight. What we're going to be doing is using Lightlife's white bean and kale veggie deli slices. So say if you were the type person that always enjoyed to have salami and that kind of stuff, before you were vegan, you would normally have slices of meat or slices of something or other, and so this is what it's supposed to emulate this. Okay, so that's one thing. Another thing we're doing different is we're going to use Izzios, and what these are is very, very tiny pieces of bread. They're about 1/4 of an inch thick. I don't know if you can see that, and there is maybe, let's see, I believe there are 8 slices in them. Each slice, each 1/4 inch slice, it looks like it's about 4 by 3, is as heirloom spelt with pumpkin seeds, and they say the 9 ounces. Okay, it says right here, clean label, free form, preservative, enrichment, additive, GMOs. Okay, so each slice of bread is 70 calories, low in fat, low in sodium, 1 gram of sugar, cholesterol free, nutrient dense. Well, that's nice. Use 100% whole grain. If you like to use these little symbols to make sure that you have enough grain in your food. What we're going to do is we're going to show you how to make little simple finger sandwiches. So you're having some people come over. Okay, that's kind of cute. And then I'm going to open this up and show you a simple way to have some quick and easy snacks for the friends that are coming over. So come and watch and see how I put together this white bean and kale sliced deli slices and Izzio bread together. Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living! Now if you watch your calorie, this is not going to be bad. Remember that each slice is 70 calories. What we're going to be using is the original Vegenaise, better than mayo. So you're going to take a little bit of mayo. You don't have to get carried away on this stuff. Remember, this is just fat. Kind of spread it across. And what you're doing is just making a very simple dish. You're going to have your little serving tray here. You're going to serve coffee with it, and you're going to have your sandwiches. Okay, so we're going to open up this package. Okay, and then you just have to separate. They're there. You can see the lines. You have to kind of whittle it out, get that one piece out. You say I broke this one already. You can get it out, and you just lay it over the top, and you do the same thing for the other piece. You're going to lay these on top of your Vegenaise. On the other side, what you're going to do is you're going to use mustard. Now, this is not vegan mustard. It just happens to be stone ground mustard. It has a lot of flavor. But if you want it to be totally vegan, you could buy vegan mustard. And what you do then is you just pick it up and you spread it across. And what you do is you just like a regular sandwich, you pick it up and you put it on top. Now you could use more than one of these pieces. You'd have 180 calories instead of 90. So then you take a sharp knife, like your $2 knife that you got at a 99-cent store, and you break them, you cut them into finger slices, like this. Now you'll have to refrigerate these until your guests come. Okay, now that one didn't work very well. And this is very unusual bread is because it doesn't have any crust on it. You could use pickles inside of these. You could put these on the side so that people can help each other. So now that you've cut your bread, got started like this, and you put mayonnaise on one side and you put in mustard on the other side, you made sandwiches out of them, you cut them into finger slices, you can give these away with a cup of delicious hazelnut coffee at a little snack. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.
If you like this channel, please subscribe. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.